One way to differentiate the oneness of partial enlightenment from the oneness of full enlightenment is by the fact that in partial enlightenment, the experience of oneness is also partial, whereas in full enlightenment, the experience of oneness is not partial, but full. In the state of partial enlightenment, oneness is directly experienced in a deeper part of what you are, but not in all that you are. For instance, not in the innumerable thoughts, emotions, or body sensations that you continuously experience, as the thoughts, emotions, and body sensations themselves are many, not one. The same is true of your surroundings. In partial enlightenment, oneness is experienced on a level of your surroundings, in an underlying spiritual dimension that lies beneath the world's surface. Oneness is not directly encountered in the world and the things themselves, as they too are not one, but many. This is entirely different from where you experience oneness in the state of full enlightenment. In full enlightenment, oneness is experienced not in a part or on a level of existence, but in all of it. It is experienced in all that you are and in the entirety of the world and everything in it. There is not a single part of you, the world, or anything in the world that is excluded from the oneness of full enlightenment. This is why the oneness of full enlightenment is full and not partial. It is not localized within a part or level of your experience, such as in an underlying spiritual dimension. Instead, it encompasses the fullness of experience.